Hi, and welcome. I'm Hieu, and today we're unraveling the intricacies of Orange County house arrest or supervised electronic confinement. This is otherwise known as the SCC program. This alternative to incarceration allows eligible individuals to serve their sentences more comfortably while adhering to strict guidelines. In other words, house arrest. Serve your sentence at home instead of at jail. Let's delve into this transformative opportunity. You're gonna be asking, what is the SCC program? Again, it's Supervised Electronic Confinement. It's a program run by the Orange County Sheriffs. We begin with an overview of the SCC program in Orange County. We'll discuss who it's for, its purpose, and how it offers a more humane alternative to traditional jail for eligible offenders. Its purpose is to have your cake and eat it too. You have jail time. However, you want to continue going to work and you can't serve jail time. So that's what this program is for. It lets you keep your job while at the same time serving your jail sentence. However, it is not for everybody, especially people who have been arrested for violent offenses in the past, something such as domestic violence or drug dealing. Since these crimes could be done at home, they do not want you to jeopardize the program by committing a new crime while being at home. You have to think about this because this goes into who qualifies for this program and also if whether or not you should apply or not. Navigating the eligibility criteria is crucial. In this segment, we'll also discuss who can apply, the required documentation, and the step-by-step application process, ensuring you know exactly how to proceed. When looking at the eligibility criteria for house arrest, you have to think that you have to fit in about the mode of whether or not you've had any violent crimes in your past. On top of that, you also have to have a documentation. It's called the SCC application. You get this at the probation department. On top of that, I'll also leave a link in the description for the application below as well. During this period, after you are immediately sentenced, you or your attorney will have to ask the court for 4 to 6 weeks to put your surrender date out. And the reason why it's 4 to 6 weeks is so that way you can go out there and do the application for house arrest and then have time for you to get it reviewed as well. During this time, as week by week goes by, you should get a call back from Orange County Probation within the 5th or 6th week, letting you know of their acceptance or denial of your home confinement application. This then starts your home confinement or you go to jail. Let's assume that you got their approval for home confinement. At this stage in time, you'll be living under SCC or what they call house arrest. Being under house arrest comes with strict rules. You cannot just be drinking at home. You will have alcohol monitoring at home. And then you'll also have your work schedule in place, and then you'll be able to work around your work schedule. And on top of that, you will have an alcohol monitoring on you as well, so that way you cannot drink while you're at home on house arrest. The consequences of violating these terms are severe. If you violate these terms, you can be yanked from the program and your sentence will be reimposed in county jail. If you're denied SCC access, there is an appeal process. Not all SCC applications are approved. Many of them are denied because of hit and runs or you've had domestic violence back in your background. It's important to screen for this before moving forward with the SCC program. However, in the case that you are denied, you'll have to be guided through the appeals process. The appeals process looks at your application and runs it up with the supervisor probation officer to once again review the application to determine whether or not you are a safe candidate or not. Why opt for house arrest? Obviously, one of the biggest advantages of the SCC program over traditional jail is that you get to stay at home. You don't have to basically go to jail. These are the benefits of getting into the SEC program, and at the same time, you get to also maintain your employment and personal responsibilities. Seeking legal advice can be crucial for a successful SEC application. That is because legal advice and legal counsel can convince the judge to not deny your SEC application. After that, this frees up the way for you to go on and apply for house arrest. An experienced attorney can assist you in navigating this process effectively. In closing, the SEC program in Orange County differs. The SEC program in Orange County offers a more humane way to serve time, balancing justice with personal growth. If you're considering this alternative, or you're in a pickle where you are facing jail time, such as a second or third DUI, don't hesitate to seek professional legal advice. That can make all the difference. You can reach out to us at the law office of Hieu for comprehensive support. Thank you for watching us today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and a like. If you have questions, you're more welcome to leave them below. On the other hand, if you don't want the world to see your dirty laundry, you can use the make an appointment button or give us a call at the number below. Thank you for watching.